the coolest thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
This is a $40,000 firework. I could have bought a car. I could have put a down payment on a house. Or I could have bought 10,000 copies of Shrek, but I did none of that, and I bought a $40,000 firework. This $40,000 firework is literally gonna blow your socks off.
No pun intended.
It is over 9,000 shells. That $10,000 firework was 4,000 shells. This is going to be 4 times bigger. $40,000 is a lot of money. There's a lot of stuff we can do with this.
3, 2, 1, fire!
I thought I was gonna die.
That was crazy.
That was the best thing.